Hi, today is 5th June, that is World Environmental Day. What is World Environmental Day? It has been celebrated throughout the world to protect the environment, to enhance the green gases, and to reduce the environmental pollution. What is our duty on this day? Just now I had come from Arif Garden, the place in Bhiwandi, in which the Municipal Commissioner of Bhiwandi, Mr. Ajay Vaid, he himself came with the staff peoples to plant the trees. Almost 200 trees were planted by the corporation. I am lucky to be part of that move. See, on this day of World Environmental Day, we took some pledge, collective pledge by the citizens that we will protect the trees, we will plant more trees, we will take care of the environment, we will use green highways, we will use green gases. Then ozone layer is getting disturbed, so we will not emit maximum carbon. We will not emit carbon inside outside the within the environment limit. So there are criteria. Like if I have to explain this thing in two part, there will be two parts: duties, then responsibilities. What our duties will be as a citizen? See, the temperature has risen more than 5 degrees compared to last year and before 2 years. It is an indication that somewhere the ozone layer is getting affected, or somewhere the environmental changes are taking place, and due to which the heat erosion or the heat is increasing. What is happening due to heat increasing the heat? The icebergs in the glaciers all are melting, and it is causing disturbance to the environmental setup. See, the God has given us everything well planned, well balanced. We have disturbed the things. We started cutting the trees. We started uprooting the trees. We started not planting the trees. We just started using the nature as per our wish. And the story should be move around. If you want to continue, the humanity has to sustain. If the humanity has to sustain, it has to take care of the environment. Major part of the environment is plantation. See, getting good plants, getting oxidized plant, it is a need of the hour. When you go outside, the temperature is more than 30 degree, 35, 38, sometimes 40, now 42. It's a very rare indication of deterioration in the environmental effects. So what we have to do as a citizen, as a user of the planet, what we can do, what help a single person can do. If I speak like that, we are almost 140 crore people in the entire country. So if an Indian, as an Indian, if an Indian plant a tree, 140 crore trees are planted. You see, if you are not able to plant a tree, take care of some tree, take care of your locality, keep cleanliness, keep hygiene, keep watering. And another thing, the responsibility is that we will use green gases, we will use low carbon emission machines, vehicles, and other things. Plus, the worst thing is that you can see my tissue paper. It's a paper and a tissue paper, but made of tree. For this tissue paper, a tree was cut, and it has been. It is called a soft tissue. Why soft? Very thin layer of tree was melted upon, and tissue paper was made. So using tissue paper should be your last resort. Instead of that, use this handkerchief. You can protect so many things. You can do many things by simply applying the formula of minimum wastage, minimum garbage, minimum damage to the environment. I'll tell you one thing. There was a phrase we read: "Give the best to the world. The best will come back to you." and I am hopeful that this video will definitely encourage the people to come towards environmental protection. And as a pledge, everyone should take a pledge. We will help our environment to sustain. We will help our coming generations to remain peaceful and to remain healthy. Thank you very much.